Okay, so here in this corner of this roof, we're on top of the roof. See that coming out of the wall? That's not normal. Underneath this metal aluminum, there's ghost ant. So there they are going for the bait. So I baited all around to see what happens, because we've got the big-headed ant issue. So now we've got a big-headed ant issue and a ghost ant issue. We used to have carpenter ant and crazy ant. This is a house where we have 5 different types of ants right now. And so we're going to probably have to install some liquid ant stations and some granular stations, because in the summer there's ghost ant all over this roof. This is their office. So you got all these ants on a flat roof. When does a technician climb up on a roof? He doesn't. And so this is why I get involved on these 1% cases, because you can't take a technician off a route for 2 hours to do investigative work. This should be the job of a senior technician, a lead technician, a service manager, to figure it out why this is happening.